Welcome everyone to today's session called Enhancing Attachment Visibility within ServiceNow. My name is Roderick de Guzman. I'm the Head of Pre-Sales and Solution Architecture.
And I'm Richard Orman, and I'm an Associate Pre-Sales Consultant.
So in today's session, what we're actually going to look at is the challenge of not being able to directly, visibly see any associated task attachments from the parent records. And this typically, one of the challenges is that typically you would have to go into the actual parent record and go into the child tasks associated to that parent record to actually view whether there's been attachments or files attached to the actual tasks itself. There's no direct visibility from the parent record to see which actual tasks have file attachments on them. In regards to our approach that we're going to walk you through today, and also available on the blog, is how do you then simplify the actual attachment management whilst maintaining the ease of use from a ServiceNow platform perspective. From a solution side of things, we're going to look at how to extend the actual attachment table and what you can actually do with that, including providing a central attachment location view within the parent record, so you can see in a central location all the attachments associated, not just to the parent record, but obviously to all the associated tasks that actually have attachments as well. And one of the biggest benefits of doing this and providing this solution is it provides, improves visibility and management of the attachments across a life cycle, the entire life cycle of a process record. So this can be applied from an incident management perspective if you have incident tasks enabled, also from a problem management for problem tasks, change for change tasks, and obviously from a request management for request tasks as part of your service catalog. Now I'll hand you over to Richard, who will walk you through some scenarios in regards to the challenges and the actual solution walkthrough itself.
Okay, thanks Rod. So here we'll just demonstrate the out-of-the-box functionality within problem records. So if we open up this first one, okay, and then if we scroll down here, we see that there's 3 associated problem tasks, but then if you open up the attachments tab, you can't actually see any attachments. However, if we go back to the problem tasks and we go into, say, the first one here, you'll see instantly that there's actually 2 attachments within that problem task, but they're not visible from the parent problem record. So this is the problem and the challenge that we're going to try and overcome here by enhancing the out-of-the-box functionality. So wouldn't it be nice from a problem manager point of view to be able to have one unified and central view, to be able to see every single attachment for each of these problem tasks in one unified view here. Okay, now we'll walk you through the actual enhancement and what it will look like, but within change management. Okay then, so imagine yourself as a change manager, and let's open up a change record. So this one here, 30022. Okay, so we've opened up this record now, and you'll see at the top here there's a file associated, an attachment associated with this change record. However, this file was originally attached to a change task, and due to the enhancement it's now visible at the top from the change record. So if we scroll down, we can now show you the attachments tab. So this is the attachments tab here, and you can see firstly file name, content type, and then this field called source. Now to create this field source, we extended the attachments table so that there was a field which contained the originating record ID for the attachment. So you see here you've got Patch Windows User Guide, which is a PDF, and it's associated to change task 0010020. Now if we go to the change tasks, which are obviously children of this parent change record, we can see here we've got change task 0010020. Okay, so let's demonstrate this functionality then. So if I open up a change task here, so we've opened up 0010021, which is a task from the parent record. Right, okay, so let's add an attachment then. And scroll down. Here we go. So it'll just take a couple of seconds to attach. And so the idea of this is, once it's attached, we'll then be able to see it from the parent change record. Okay, so now if we go ahead and update that, as you can see, then the attachment that we've just uploaded is visible from the parent change record. Now, also, if we scroll down to the attachments tab, you'll see again that the attachment that we've just uploaded to change task 0010021 is visible from the parent record. Now, another thing to consider is that you can actually access this attachment directly from the attachments tab. There you go. Or you can actually go into the change task itself. There you go, and get to the attachment from there. Perfect. Now I'll hand you over to Rod, but again, just to reiterate, you can see here that from the parent record, you can see all the attachments related to the change tasks.
Thanks, Richard. So as you guys can see, we've walked you through the challenge from an out-of-the-box perspective using problem management. We then walk you through how once the enhancement has been enabled, then using that within change management, how that can be applied, and the clear benefits of, especially from a change manager's perspective, that now they're able to see all the attachments from the different change tasks that are associated to that parent change record. And as you guys read on from the blog, you can also see that we've written it specifically for the service catalog, so you can get a feel for how this may work as well, especially from a request management perspective. But as you can see, this enhancement can be applied across different applications, including incident management, if you guys have decided to enable the incident task side of things. So thank you for joining us today and taking some time to view our session and to read our blog. Hopefully some of you can take something away from this session, and we'll speak to you guys soon. Thank you.
Thanks.